$90,000 for a 1979 Oldsmobile? Wait until you see why this forgotten luxury coupe is becoming a collector's dream. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a true hidden gem from the golden era of American luxury, a 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado that proves elegance never goes out of style. While many cars from the late 1970s have disappeared into history, this Toronado stands proudly as a reminder of when American manufacturers built vehicles with personality, presence, and pure cruising comfort. With a stunning gloss black exterior, a smooth Oldsmobile V8 engine, and a level of luxury that defined its generation, this collector quality example carries an impressive price tag of around $90,000. The first thing that captures your attention is the unmistakable presence of this Toronado. Finished in a deep gloss black exterior, the body reflects light like a piece of polished jewelry. The long hood, wide stance, elegant roofline, and classic proportions create a look that feels more like a luxury executive coupe than a simple automobile. A subtle red pinstripe runs along the body, adding just the right amount of character while keeping the sophisticated factory-inspired appearance intact. At the front, the dual headlights give this Oldsmobile a bold and confident expression. The factory bumpers, chrome accents, and original badging highlight the attention to detail that made the Toronado special. Every piece works together to create a timeless design, a vehicle that represents the final years of traditional American personal luxury. But this Toronado is not just about appearance. Under the hood sits a legendary 350 cubic inch Oldsmobile V8 engine, delivering the smooth and effortless performance expected from a premium cruiser of its era. This engine was never designed to chase track records. Instead, it was engineered for comfortable power, reliability, and relaxed highway driving. Paired with a factory automatic transmission, this Toronado offers a smooth driving experience that feels effortless. The combination of V8 power, automatic shifting, and front-wheel drive engineering creates a unique character that separates it from many other classic American coupes. It is a car built for enjoying the journey, not just reaching the destination. Driving comfort was always one of the Toronado's greatest strengths. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, this classic coupe provides an easy and refined driving experience. The factory suspension system delivers the soft, comfortable ride that luxury buyers expected during this era. Whether cruising through city streets or stretching its legs on an open highway, this Toronado was designed to make every mile enjoyable. Adding to its elegant appearance are the 15-inch wire hubcap wheels wrapped in 225 70/15 wide white front and rear tires. These wheels perfectly complement the luxury styling, creating a period-correct look that feels authentic. The white wall tires add a classic touch, reminding everyone of an era when style and sophistication were just as important as performance. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin features a beautiful black interior complemented by walnut burl trim, creating a warm and premium atmosphere. The attention to detail inside this Toronado shows exactly what American luxury meant in the late 1970s. The comfortable seating, front and rear seat belts, tilt steering column, power locks, and power windows provide a combination of convenience and classic charm. Every feature was designed around making the driver and passengers feel relaxed and comfortable. The walnut burl accents bring an upscale feel to the interior, adding contrast against the black cabin. It creates an environment that feels like a private lounge on wheels, quiet, comfortable, and built for long-distance cruising. Even practical details have been preserved, including the spare tire stored in the trunk. This attention to originality and completeness is exactly what collectors look for when searching for high-quality classic vehicles. Underneath, this Oldsmobile Toronado continues to impress. The factory underside components remain in great condition, showing careful preservation throughout its life. The underside has also been sprayed with a protective coating, helping maintain the structure and keeping this classic ready for many more years of enjoyment. The 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado represents an important chapter in American automotive history. It arrived during a changing automotive landscape when traditional luxury coupes were becoming less common, yet the Toronado continued to offer something unique: comfort, style, and individuality. Today, collectors are beginning to appreciate vehicles like this because they represent a different philosophy of automotive design. They were not built simply as transportation. They were built as experiences. The combination of a smooth V8 engine, luxury features, elegant styling, and a rare collector-quality presentation makes this Toronado a standout classic at approximately $90,000. This 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado is more than just an old luxury coupe. It is a beautifully preserved piece of American automotive heritage. It represents an era of bold designs, comfortable interiors, and cars that made every drive feel special. This is the kind of classic that turns heads, not because it is the loudest or fastest, but because it carries something many modern vehicles have lost: character. The 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado is a reminder that true luxury never disappears. It simply waits for the right generation of enthusiasts to discover it again.